Have you ever scrolled past a short video and thought, how did they make that so quickly? Here's the trick creators don't talk about. It just takes one idea and a few seconds. That's all there is to it.
When the road calls, you answer with authority.
Introducing Divvit. Divvit is a powerful tool that helps you create instant visuals that stand out and grab attention. Once you have an account, you can access any of the creation tools on the left side. For example, right now I'm on text to video. You just type in some text and you get the final result. For instance, let's try something like this. I gave this detailed prompt, and here's the video result. The Divvit temple. And you can create any style or type of video you want, and it'll be eye-catching. Let me also show you a set of polished, visually striking videos that were made right inside the platform. This is the feature that creates a video from the image you provide to the AI. So you give it a prompt. You give it the image. The AI creates a video from the image itself. Let's check out another one. Let's say Pikachu. So whether you want to create a video from text or from an image, or maybe you want to do smart editing and have AI edit your videos like in this example. You provide the video. You type the prompt. The AI makes the changes to the video. Cuts, pacing, transitions, and subtitles are all taken care of for you, which is great for people who don't want to spend hours editing. And it's amazing because Divvit offers over 100 ready-made templates inspired by trending styles, and you can even swap out text, clips, or images in seconds with these features. It helps you create content that actually looks shareable. Divvit supports multi-language video generation for global content, and it works great for ad creatives, product videos, or social storytelling. And you can try out the AI yourself by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, you get export options optimized for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. If you want to make short videos without spending half your day editing, give this a try right now. Click the link in the description, open the site, use the demo account, and see how quickly you can turn one idea into a finished video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave questions in the comments, we'll answer them. Thank you, see you in the next video.